Do you know many people are having trouble with their NutriBullet Portable Blender not charging? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Check connections. Ensure that the USB-C charging cable is securely connected to both the blender and a power source. Check for dust or dirt on both ends of the connections. Step 2. Inspect cable. Inspect the charging cable for any signs of damage. If it's worn out or frayed, replace it with a compatible cable for reliable charging. Step 3. Verify power. Confirm the power source is working by testing it with another device. Make sure your power outlet or computer is providing power. Step 4. Check LED status. Look at the blender's LED status. If the LEDs are inactive or blink without turning solid, recheck your connections and cable. Step 5. Allow full charge. Allow the blender to charge uninterrupted for 60-90 minutes to ensure it receives a full charge. Step 6. Cool and retry. If issues persist, ensure the blender is completely cool before attempting to charge again. After following these steps, your NutriBullet Portable Blender should be charging perfectly again. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other NutriBullet users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.